Scandalous and messy controversy over who will pay taxes for pre-owned police vehicles. This evening, a stunning development. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, backtrack. UNWTO head clarifies statements about all-inclusive hotels.
It was me, Moravian minister, pleads guilty to having sex with minors.
Not backing down. Opposition wants review of process to pass controversial NIDS bill.
Extended. More calls for Denham Town Zozo to be widened as a woman is raped on the outskirts.
And in business news, up again. Fuel prices rise after brief respite.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
What are your views on the UNWTO Secretary General's comments that all-inclusive hotels are modern-day plantations?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.